Itel has launched its new ultra-affordable smartphone under Zeno series in India called Itel Zeno 20, with dynamic bar feature for notifications. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Itel Zeno 20 features a 6.6-inch HD plus IPS display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries a 5-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone houses a 13-megapixel main camera under the squarish module at the top left corner. Under the hood, the Itel Zeno 20 comes powered by Uni SoC T7100 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8322 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 3 or 4 GB of RAM that can be extended up to 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box under Go Edition. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it includes DTS sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164 by 76 by 9 mm, and it weighs around 187 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Itel Zeno 20 has been priced in India for 3GB plus 64GB storage variant at 5,999 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 6,899 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Aurora Blue, Starlit Black, and Space Titanium color options. So, what do you guys think of this Itel Zeno 20 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.